Whether you're looking for a killer gaming PC or just looking for a new keyboard for typing your essays at school, mechanical keyboards are basically a must-have. These help improve your typing experience, upgrading your old keyboard from a mushy, chiclet-style board into something responsive, tactile, and fun to type on. Unfortunately, most mechanical keyboards are wired, but if you're trying to move your PC into a fully wireless experience, wireless mechanical keyboards are becoming more and more prevalent in 2020. Let's take a quick look at some of the best you can buy today. For 2 years running, our favorite mechanical keyboard has continued to be Corsair's K63 mechanical keyboard, a wireless version of their popular K63 compact model. First unveiled in early 2018, the K63 was designed primarily for couch-based PC gaming, with a full set of wireless accessories made available for the keyboard. Despite being Corsair's first and, as of the time of making this video, only wireless keyboard, the model has been well received by gamers and PC enthusiasts alike for its solid design and low latency connection. At its core, the wireless K63 is mostly unchanged from the normal K63 compact that has been sold for years. Visually, the biggest change comes from the blue LED backlighting, a major change from the red backlighting on the wired K63. The keyboard still lacks a 10-key number pad, but if you're planning to use the keyboard mostly for gaming, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. The keyboard uses Cherry MX red switches that are perfect for gaming, although typists may find the reds lacking compared to Cherry MX blues. When it comes to wireless technology, however, Corsair claims to have made large strides in getting the tech to work. Over 2.4 GHz wireless tech, Corsair rates the response time at 1 millisecond, with most reviewers agreeing that the keyboard manages to meet the claim. As we mentioned, the K63 is built to be used with other accessories from Corsair, most notably the K63 wireless lapboard. At $60, the lapboard is pretty expensive, but it adds a palm rest and a mouse pad to the keyboard, making it perfect for living room play without giving up your keyboard and mouse. With the backlight turned on its default brightness, Corsair claims up to 75 hours of battery life, but realistically, you're probably looking closer to about 30 hours of gaming time on average. Still, Corsair's K63 wireless manages to be one of the best performing wireless models today. At around $105, the K63 wireless isn't cheap, but it's also only $15 more than the wired compact version, so you aren't exactly breaking the bank. If you're looking for a more traditional layout, the G613 from Logitech is a great choice. One of the first wireless mechanical keyboards released from a major brand, the G613 is part of Logitech's gaming keyboard lineup. You wouldn't know that just by looking at it though, as the design is far more understated than Corsair's model. The font is modern but basic, and the 10-key number pad helps to make it more useful for work. The G613 uses Romer G caps, Logitech's own proprietary keycap technology that are similar to Cherry MX Browns. That means the G613 should provide a pretty solid experience for both typing and gaming alike, unlike Corsair's model, which focuses primarily on gaming first and foremost. Unfortunately, the keyboard isn't backlit, though the lack of one does help with the battery life of the keyboard. Running off 2 AA batteries, the device should be able to last up to a full 18 months, so long as you turn off the keyboard at night. That's a fantastic battery rating, and it gives it a solid edge over the Corsair model. Although the G613 is currently listed on Amazon for $109, we've seen the keyboard drop as low as $59, breaking into budget territory and making for a great deal for anyone who doesn't mind waiting for another sale. However, if you're looking for a budget keyboard now and you can't wait any longer, Philosophers TKL2WS is a fantastic 10-keyless board that offers quality and a tactile feel for just $49 on Amazon. Although it features full-size keys, this wireless model is small enough to fit in your backpack in order to take it wherever you need to go. Available in both black and white, the TKL2WS uses Cherry MX Brown style switches that, just like with Logitech's model, make it a great hybrid, perfect for both office use and gaming. Although you won't find any RGB lighting on this model, Philosopher does include white backlighting on both the black and white models. The keyboard works in both wireless and wired mode, with both data and charging capable of happening over USB-C. Battery life is pretty solid too, with an 1850 mAh battery keeping you working and charged through multiple workdays. Two more models to quickly mention as keyboards to keep your eye on. The first, Philco's Magistouch Convertible 2, is a fantastic set if you have the money to afford it. At $179, it's easily the most expensive keyboard on this list, but it's perfect for any and all office environments. With a clean matte black design, Philco's board doesn't look any different than any run-of-the-mill Dell keyboard you'd find lying around the office. But unlike keyboards included with desktop PCs, Philco's keyboard features Cherry MX Brown switches and an estimated 6 months of battery life on a single charge. Our final recommendation comes to us from GameSir, a name that might be familiar to anyone who has shopped for third-party game controllers. The GK300 from GameSir is their wireless model, and while $80 isn't the cheapest model on this list, it provides a stellar experience for anyone looking to up their gaming experience. Available in both white and space gray, the GK300 uses red-like switches, supports both USB and Bluetooth wireless connections with the option for a dual connection, and even includes a palm rest area for typing and gaming. Plus, a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery means this thing can go for weeks on end without requiring a charge. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering gaming PCs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.